What's up, guys? Man checking in here. Today I'm gonna go ahead and cut the frame of the truck. Big day, surgery, going into surgery. But I'll show you guys what I have here. I have the instructions. I'm using the Brothers long bed to short bed conversion kit, and these are all the things you're gonna need: reciprocating saw, hand grinder or angle grinder, air punch, floor jack, jack stands, drill bits, square, and some brake line wrenches. So I got most of everything here. Got some blades. I bought one of the amped Diablo blades for cutting metal. I got a hacksaw. I'm gonna be using some thread locker for the bolts, fabricate my drill bits. Yeah, and then I have, what else do I have? I have my tablet here because I'm gonna go ahead and watch this YouTube video first, and it says to use the video and the instructions as a companion to guide you through cutting the truck. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I have a good old air chisel to punch out some of the rivets where I need to remove some things. So let me go ahead and show you the frame. I already have some PB Blaster soaking on the back here, so we're gonna have to go ahead and remove these right here on both sides. This right here, I'm gonna go ahead and take the wiring out from here. So in my previous videos or clips, there's 3 sections to the wiring harness. There's a back half, a middle, and then the front. So super simple for the wiring. So go ahead and remove these, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut the exhaust off. This is going to get scrapped. I don't need this exhaust. And then I'm going to go ahead and remove the drive shaft. Okay guys, got my wheels here. I'm going to go ahead and put them back on so I can get the chassis frame on the ground. Adjustable wrench. Grab the bolt from the bottom and try to take it out that way. Holding it in place, we can just pull over it. Yeah, the light for the whatever lights up your license plate. Let's go ahead and wrap this up right here, right there. Get this out of the way. There it is. This is the speedometer right here. This is the rear harness. No idea what these are. They're connected and they're cut off. Okay. Alright guys, so I was able to take these off. They were a royal pain in the butt. go ahead and bend it. I'm not gonna reuse this anyway. It's so rusty. By hand, yes sir. Yes sir. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this kit out. And this is what it comes with. Brake line. It's a shortened brake line. Fucking cable. Brake line. The driver's side template. This is the C channel. And what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and paint these. I'm gonna do like a strip down the middle with weldable primer, and then I'm gonna do weldable primer around here. This is the second template. This is passenger. Lines up with existing holes. So I'm gonna these ones right here. It should line up here, and it does. Go ahead and clean this metal up. It's pretty clean already. I'm just gonna go ahead and do some primer. Okay guys, weldable primer. Go ahead and let this dry, and then I'll go ahead and start working on this. These are the bolts that came with the kit guys. I'm gonna go ahead and sort these out. Bunch of washers for bolts. Take this out, okay, so these are the two pilot holes where this is gonna line up right here. So this is the hardware. Slide in here. Should slide in here. Beautiful. On the back side, washer first. As you can see, these are hand tight. So go ahead and tighten them in a second. I'm gonna take it this way. Okay, it's nice and snug. Alright, so that's on, guys. Alright guys, so I was able to take those rivets off. They're a pain in the butt. This air hammer kind of sucks for some reason. I don't know what it is, but yeah, I got it off. These are the rivets I had to take off, so this mounts on flush. I'm gonna put my template here. Tighten it down. This. So template 2, so I'm going to drill holes right there. So drill all holes in panel mark 2 drill on the template using a 1/8 drill bit. Do this for both the driver and passenger sides before moving to step 3. gonna go ahead and grab my 1/8 drill bit, drill those pilot holes. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put oil on it. Alright guys, that's it for those ones. Let's go on the other side. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and drill the holes out on this side. First cut is done. Start cutting. Let's see what the instructions say now. You have to remove this cap mount. Make this cut now, and then do that cap mount. There goes my drill bit, guys.